Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make Instagram creative DP photo editing fully in Canva. So for this I will be choosing Instagram post square format, as the picture which will be uploading in the DP will also be in the same format, which is of 1080 cross 1080 pixels. Okay, so in the elements I will be showing the two images which I will be using here. Is the first one is this one, Caucasian man profile on dark, and the second one is portrait of woman in business casual. Okay, so now I will share both the image and how to do it. So let's start with it. So first one I am choosing in here. Okay, so first is this male, and I will go to edit photo and make sure you are using the old photo editor and not the new one. So I will click on prefer the old photo editor and take me to the old editor. Okay, and I will click on edit image again. I will first come to paint effects. If you are not using the old editor, you will find the paint effects by scrolling down here, and here you will find, click on see all, and here you will find the Windle effect. Click on it. So this Windle effect creates a very good effect on your profile picture. If you want to increase the or decrease the intensity, you can easily do that. So I will bring it on to the low intensity, and I will click on apply, and I will wait till the saving is done. And after the saving is done here, I will do the next work, which is I will remove the background for this image. And as you can see, the background is removed in a proper way, and I will click on apply. Let's zoom in and find the image is looking so cool, and it is coming a great effect here with this print effect. And now I will just crop out the portions which are not required. Okay, so and I will make a dark gray background, preferably a black background. Okay, and I will go to elements here, and here I will write Instagram logo and click on see all in graphics. And this is the image which I will be using. So for that, make sure you bring the logo here and change the color to white, and just download it. So I have downloaded prior, so I will use that image which I have downloaded it here and use it here. So for downloading, so if you haven't downloaded, so first thing you have to make sure that the background is changed to white, and when clicking on share and then click on download, make sure the file type is in PNG and click on transparent background, and then choose the Instagram one which is in page 2, and then download it. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I am not downloading it again. So I will click on delete page to delete this Instagram one, and I will bring this one here. let's make it bigger. And let's place it right here and let's make it bigger. And let's make it in the center so that we can adjust it in a proper way. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, now we will just put it into back and work on the main image here. Let's work on the edges here and make the size of the image a little bigger. Okay, so this one is done, and now let's duplicate it, paste it here, and we will be requiring this to go to the back. So we will just crop out the portion which we not require it here. Okay, and this part I will keep it so that it creates a pop-out effect for the Instagram picture. And for this one, the one which is not cropped out, I will just put it behind the logo. Okay, so for this we will go to layer and click on show layers, and this one is the non-cropped image and I will just put it behind it. So as you can see, it is creating a popping out effect here. And for this logo we will click on edit image and click on shadows and click on glow to create a very good glow effect. And here we will bring it to white and let's make it 8 and increase the blur to 7. Okay, so as you can see, the effect is done and the image is looking very well and very creative here. And let me show you how you can do for the front faced image. This one is for the side faced, and let's make it for the front faced image. So the process is same, just the adjustment you have to do for the front faced image. So this is the image. So the process is same. I am go to image, edit image, and then paint effects, Windel, and click on low intensity, click on apply. When the saving is done, let's remove the background with clicking the BG remover here. So background is removed, click on apply. So apply it here and let's make it bigger because we want to focus only on the image, only on the face here. So we want to focus on that, so we will be making it slightly bigger and then cropping out the parts which are not required. So we will creep it till here. Okay, now we'll bring the Instagram logo here. Let's crop out these parts and just make it bigger. So let's send it to back for now. Let's work on the image. Let's duplicate it. Keep the parts which we want to make a pop out. Okay, and now let's go to layers, show layers, and which one is this one is not cropped, so we'll put it just below the Instagram logo, and this one we'll just crop it till the face. So let's bring to front here. Okay, click on edit image, click on shadows, click on glow, increase the size to 8, blur to 7 and color to white. Click on apply. So the application is done here. Now let's adjust the size here. Click on layers, show layers, and put the logo just behind the cropped image, and your final image is ready here. Hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you.